On our homepage you can create a free account. To do this, press the dashboard button. Now we press the register button. To create an account, we only need the most necessary information from you, such as your email address and password. In case you have come through an affiliate link, a corresponding affiliate code will be entered automatically. Please do not forget to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Please click the Register Account button. Now the account is created and you can log in with your access data. You will now see the dashboard. This is the main center for your account. From here you have access to all functions.